Let's see how to close pipeline projects in the Source-to-Pay Workspace. Go to Workspaces tab and select Source-to-Pay Workspace. In the Source-to-Pay Workspace, select the list icon. In the My Work drop-down, select Pipeline Projects. Select a pipeline project that has a work-in-progress state. Select Close. Enter the project's financial data, such as estimated spend and targeted savings. In the Closing Notes field, enter a brief summary of the pipeline project that provides context for future reference, auditing, or reporting. Select Close to close the pipeline project. The pipeline project state changes to Closed Complete.